All right. Filemob data section within task-specific data, 2 new member variables for our reentrant struct, the file reader and the array buffer. In the Filemob function section, the JavaScript file to binary array function has been completely gutted. We cannot fucking do this in a synchronous way. In our reentrant function, loadbox disk, within step 3, the file to byte array dispatch, we've commented this out. We're no longer calling this function because we completely gutted it. All of the guts of this function have been pasted down here. We've refactored it, we've removed the spin lock, and then a lot of these variables you're going to see on the MAE lines that we've prepended a lot of these variables with a W dot for whatever, or a O dot for output, or an I dot for input. And those are all the same object, right? So these are all the same object, I, O, or W. The prefix just gives you a little hint as to the use case. So we're not going to explain this code here because we've already explained it before. But maybe a quick explanation, right? Here's our asynchronous callback. Once we get the contents of the file back, we're going to put it into this array buffer, cast the array buffer to a binary array, get the number of bytes, and then we're also going to release the spin lock. When the spin lock has been released, then we can get past step 4, because every time we call this function, we'll be at step 4 until the spin lock is released. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a shorter explanation, longer explanation, go here. Shorter explanation is here, but that's where you already are. So like, subscribe.